Pamukkale University Buldan Vocational School, Architectural Restoration Program and Fashion Design Program carried out an innovative project in collaboration. The Sustainable Works exhibition was carried out under the leadership of Architectural Restoration Program Instructor Gamze and Fashion Design Instructor Melek Arpacı Gündoğan and combines the concept of ecological sustainability in an artistic way. The studies that started in the 2023 to 2024 spring semester were carried out by second-year students. In the Fashion Design Program, students produced various fabrics and cushions with the ecological printing eco-print technique using natural dyes and vegetation. As part of the Architectural Restoration Program, interior furniture was designed using completely recyclable materials. Students have created products that are both environmentally friendly and aesthetically pleasing by evaluating waste materials in sustainable furniture production. The results of the project were highly appreciated both aesthetically and ecologically. It is hoped that the Sustainable Works exhibition will strengthen students' interdisciplinary thinking skills and reinforce their understanding of sustainable design.